shortbread.
So today we're going to be making a super quick and easy 5-ingredient shortbread recipe.
A family recipe straight from Scotland.
Yes. So we're going to start off by adding all our ingredients. So 2 sticks of butter. You do the rest.
Okay. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Make sure it doesn't floof up.
What?
Half a cup of sugar.
And then Luke is going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So now,
This is the fun part.
you're going to make sure your hands are clean.
Wait, put it-
Make sure they're washed.
Take off all of your jewelry.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
whatever.
you're just
however
gonna
you say it.
start kneading. Stop.
Oh my.
Remember to roll up your sleeves.
Oops.
Come on, Alex.
Well, I don't need to.
I just. Ooh.
And make sure
Look at my
all the
fingernails. It's
butter.
all in my fingernails.
Make sure all the butter is like squished out, no chunks.
And your
Chunks
butter
are
should be
bad.
softened.
Oh yeah, soften your butter.
Oh, wait.
What?
Hold on. We just.
I'll need this.
That's all.
I had some butter in my hand. Get in, butter.
Just no, just go away.
Can I eat this?
I wouldn't if I were you.
Why?
You're gonna add about 3 cups of butter and stir it for about 3 hours. Here, let's try. So once you're done kneading it, you want to make sure there's no like chunks of butter left in it, and then you're going to put it in an 8x8 ungreased pan.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna bake it in the oven at 325 degrees for 40 minutes, or until the edges are like golden.
Oh, and it's also edible because there's no raw eggs in it.
It's pretty delectable as well.
Uh-huh.
All right. So once it's in the pan, you just pat it down until it fills the whole pan and is evenly distributed. Cut that part out.
Fold it in.
Good. Okay. How do I do that? Okay. So then. Okay. So then. You stab it with a fork.
So you just want to make
Yeah. Okay.
little, and this is gonna make the heat be able to like distribute evenly around it.
Yeah.
You just make rows, and it'll look like that when you're done.
Maybe. Good.
Okay, now you just put it in the oven. You just
I want to cook.
plop that sucker in there.
I want to go in
yeah.
there.
And then you cook it for 40 minutes.
When it comes out of the oven, you add some sugar to it, but to spice it up, I have some colored sugar.
Alright, so the sprinkles are on, it's cooked, and now we're gonna cut it and try to eat it. Well, we're not gonna try to eat it, we're just going to eat it.
Yeah.
Ours is a little bit burnt.
No, me and Luke are gonna have a little bit.
I'll try it when you guys have yours.
Better.
This is what a typical slice will look like. We put red sprinkles.
Average slice.
We put red sprinkles because of Valentine's Day. Now we're gonna try it.
Here we go.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Good.
Oh,
Wow.
it's really good. How would you rate it?
10 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, not as good as the cookies, but
Yeah. Probably
That's super
8
good.
out of 10.
alright. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like.
Okay, make sure to like
Make sure to like, subscribe,
and comment down below.
What?
seeing what you'd like to see next.
And see you next time, guys. Bye.